Hey guys, welcome to the Fantastic Four. We have a bit of a different episode for you today. We're dispensing with our usual intro and the music and all that kind of thing, and this is why.
Last night we had a really fun night on Pub Street. We tried out some street food and we got a fish massage, which you'll find out what that is in a minute. And we also ended the night with one of our favorite Cambodian treats, fried ice cream.
So anyway, here's sort of just the raw footage of our night. We hope you enjoy, and if you do, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if you want to follow along, we always welcome new subscribers, so feel free to subscribe. When? Get today or yesterday? How?
One today.
You caught one today, that one? That's fresh? Today. You caught that today. When did you catch this? Today? You caught it today?
One today. Everything.
Really? $1 each?
Yeah.
$1, $1.
each.
Okay, $1.
Yeah.
$1. There you go. Snake, spider.
Oh,
It's a big snake.
it is a big snake.
Yeah, this is a tarantula. They claim they caught it today, so it should be fresh. Because you know, fresh spiders are the best, right? Fresh, good. Our tuk-tuk driver actually eats spiders. He said they're very good, so I'm taking his word for it. But I'm not convinced.
I'm not waffling. I'm gonna take a bite now.
Yeah.
You're doing it. How is it? Oh, it's so hard.
Yeah,
I can't bite through.
Look at
To the side.
Look at the head. Look at the head.
Oh.
The cat cheek.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, cat cheek.
Take a piece.
Hey.
There you go.
is it yummy? It tastes like barbecue chips, actually. Barbecue chips? Yeah. How's the spider?
Spider. Ready? Oh, it's not too bad. It's just salty.
Salty?
Yeah. Yeah. Switch. I am afraid of snakes, so I'm getting my vengeance on the snake.
Yeah. I don't think I like that.
Really?
You don't like the spider?
I like the spider. Well, evidently we have our preferences. I like spiders.
You actually like it? You would eat it more?
Hmm?
Really?
You like the snake?
Oh, that was
What does the spider taste like?
It's very salty, and
so.
one bite. It's just salty, and the texture. I don't know what the texture is like. What would you say?
What's the flavor like aside from the texture?
Like chicken? Or?
It's just
It's
chicken?
meaty, right?
no,
It's
it doesn't. It doesn't have like a meaty. It tastes more like almost a nutty, bit like a thin, crispy potato chip.
Okay.
It really.
She
not
thought
near
the
as gross.
snake tastes like barbecue potato chips.
Snakes are good though.
Snakes are good.
Oh, okay.
Snakes
Bony, they're
that's the
bone-
only
Now-
thing I've
bones
had.
To be fair, I've only had legs.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
come on.
I'm not doing the head.
We'll do the body.
You're gonna do the head?
I'll eat the head.
Whoa. Here we
Doing
go.
it. Oh. Oh, that's good.
Oh, no way. It's good.
It tastes like a Slim Jim. Have you ever had Slim Jim? It tastes like a Slim Jim. Oh, Slim Jim.
We are at the fish foot massage, and we are getting our feet massaged by fish. Oh my gosh, look at that. Doesn't it feel weird?
Oh,
Does it feel weird?
yeah. It tickles like a lot.
Autumn?
It tickles. Tickles so much.
Do you like it? Look at me.
Look how many fish are on my feet.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I think I'm gonna go home and get myself an aquarium, get myself some fish, and they're gonna give me massages every day. That's what I'm gonna do. It felt really weird at first, but now I really like it. I'm gonna put my feet in farther.
How does it feel, Rhonda?
Oh, I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like it at all.
So, Rhonda, how's the fish foot massage?
It's so weird. I think I'm kind of liking it, but it's very odd. I don't know. I don't know.
Are you tense?
I'm very tense.
It's not what a massage.
relaxing. It's not relaxing. But I like it. Kind of. Ish. Eden, what do you think?
They're ticklish.
Ticklish? Do you like it?
You seem rather relaxed.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's
I do
nice.
this every day.
Every day? As opposed to your rigorous workout schedule?
Disconcerting. Raises some questions.
This doesn't mean the fish like you.
I like the fish though now. Now that I've been in here for a while, it's awesome. I'm with Autumn. We should totally get an aquarium and have this be a thing.
We're getting fried ice cream on Pub Street.